Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy E82 Ron, man. I thought I'd just pick up the cam. I was on a little drive. It's like 10:30. I hear the pop, but I thought I'd pick up the cam for y'all boys. Hold on, let me adjust how I'm holding it. Yeah, I'm just gonna record with my hand for now, because it's only gonna be like 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes. It's gonna be a short vid. But I'm like, man, let me pick up the cam for y'all boys. So I haven't been consistent lately, but let me stop talking and y'all enjoy the vid. We do have both windows down and the sunroof off, so it might be OD loud. The wind. Yo, pull back on the roof, Ron. We're gonna put the sunroof up. This is only a muffler delete, by the way, boys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little back road. Hopefully y'all could have seen, like, y'all had a good angle, because it's trying to drive one hand, record one hand, kind of difficult. I was like, man, let me pick up the cam for y'all boys. We recorded a video on our other channel. Might as well tell y'all boys to tap in now. Blaze Bros. But like I was saying, for those of y'all who are 420 friendly, man, make sure I go sub the Blaze Bros. I'm gonna drop the link for that channel in the description of this vid. But yeah, on that channel, man, what we basically do is, you know, we enjoy our little puff activities, man. We just chat with y'all boys, just vibe, man. So if y'all think y'all enjoy videos like that, and wanna vibe with y'all boys, I could go sub to that. Yeah, man, but just wanted to pick up the cam for y'all boys real quick. I was just going on a quick drive and thought I'd pick up the cam on my way back to the crib. Hope y'all enjoyed today's videos. Hope y'all enjoyed the pops, the bangs, the burbles. It's your boy E82 Ron checking out. Peace.